how to scroll in Steal A Brainrot shop. So I was asked to make this video. All you need to do is load up the game. So I'm just gonna search for it here, and I'm just gonna hop into a game. Open the Roblox client. Yes. And how this is gonna work once the game loads here, Steal A Brainrot, and all you need to do, just give it some more time to load. You will see the shop here, so you will click on the shop, and if you want to scroll, you have two different options. You can either use your mouse scroll wheel and just scroll up and down and view the different tabs, or what you can do is you will see the scroll right here, and you can just left click on it to drag it down, up, and again you can choose the different tabs and go through the different tabs as well. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.